ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतभिसीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवाहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवां गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाचावधामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगं सुमना असत अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषक अहेग्यश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन्त् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असो यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतेनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयतिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीरुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्मीयोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशुधे शुधे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागम् उत अनेशन्नस्येष आभुरस्य निशङ्गतिः या ते हे धर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तो विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विद्याधिने नान्नां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्ये जगत्तां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय ततादिने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय नव्यादिन आव्यादिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जते परिवञ्जते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रिकाविभ्यो जिगागं सत्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः उष्णीषिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतितधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो स्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगंहतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो घृत्सेभ्यो घृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महत्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रत्तपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः संग्रहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शरवाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो किरीशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो रसवाय च वामनाय च नमो प्रहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शेव्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेद्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च भूत्नीयाय च नमः सोऽव्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय च शुरताय च नमः शूराय च वबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णीषवे च युधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नेप्याय च नमः सूध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाध्याय च वेशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वर्षाय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः स्थित्याय च खूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोतरणाय च नमः आतर्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः हिरण्याय च प्रपत्याय च नमः किगंशिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो कोष्ठाय च कृत्याय च नमः स्तल्प्याय च गेग्याय च नमः काट्याय च गवरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागं सव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः उर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशत्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिणकेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिन्वट्केभ्यो नमः आनिरहतेभ्यो नमः आमिवट्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणाम् येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममता या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो बृरजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे मतिं यथा न शमशत्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन् नातुरं मृडानो रुद्रोत नो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्यम तव रुद्र प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुत्तमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत्तमान उक्षितं मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानुरुद्रभामितो वदिरः विष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्य गोग्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देवा ब्रूयदा च न शर्मा यच्चत् द्विबरः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्सदं युवानं मृगान्नभीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडा चरित्रे रुद्रास्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणक्तु परितेशस्य धुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवत्पयस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया मीरुष्टम शिवतमा शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृतं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवो स्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुकाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महन्त्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानाम् अधिपतयो विशिकास कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिपतो जनानां ये पथां पतिरक्षय एलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिनः य एतवन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रादितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्वयश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्यया हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवायजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनान्त्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वक्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो भीर्देवमसुरं दुवस्य अयमे हस्तो भगवान् अयमे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगं शिवाभिमर्शनः ओम शांति 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 शं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनशश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वशश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे दर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संवित् च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे शिरं च मे लयश्च मरुत्तं च मे अमृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
गणनायक
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो
वेदोदरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
वेदोधरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
वेदोदरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
वेदोधरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
लक्ष्मीनारायण
लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो
साई नारायण
साई नारायण नमो नमो नमो
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो
पंकज चरणा नमो
पंकज चरणा नमो
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
संकटहरणा श्री साई रमणा
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो नमो
वेदोदरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
वेदोधरणा वेङ्कटरमणा
लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो
लक्ष्मीनारायण नमो नमो
साई नारायण नमो नमो
साई नारायण नमो 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 नमो
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो
पंकज चरणा
पंकज चरणा नमो जगदीश्वरी दया करो माँ शिव शंकरी कृपा करो माँ साईश्वरी रक्ष करो माँ पट्टेश्वरी भला करो माँ शिव शंकरी कृपा करो माँ शिव शंकरी कृपा करो माँ जगदीश्वरी दया करो माँ शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो 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 भवनासा कैलास निवासा भवनासा कैलास निवासा भवनासा कैलास निवासा भवनासा कैलास निवासा शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो पार्वती पदे हर पशुपते पार्वती पदे हर पशुपते पार्वती पदे हर पशुपते पार्वती पदे हर पशुपते गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो भवनासा कैलास निवासा भवनासा कैलास निवासा पार्वती पदे हर पशुपते गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे गंगाधरा शिव गौरी पदे शिव शंभो हर हर शंभो गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा घनश्याम मुरारी गोपाला घनश्याम मुरारी गोपाला गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला
भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, जप जान बिना तन योग नहीं, जप जान बिना प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, दया धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम आनंद लगे हरि भजन बिना हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं सुख शांति नहीं सुख शांति नहीं
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति
I offer my humble salutations at the lotus feet of my Lord and Master, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and Om Shri Sai Ram, loving aspirants of Sai. On behalf of Chatsworth Region 2, we welcome you to this morning's online devotional program. We trust and pray that with Swami's grace, you and your loved ones are keeping well during these unprecedented times. The infographic for this morning is: Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has said, "Today, let it be anyone, whether one deems himself a devotee or not, he should give up meat eating." Why? Meat eating promotes only animal qualities. It has been well said that the food one consumes determines one's thoughts. By eating the flesh of various animals, the qualities of these animals are imbibed. How sinful it is to feed on animals, which are sustained by the same 5 elements as human beings. Taken from a divine discourse delivered on the 23rd of November, 1994. Love is the best motivation for service. Love for others and love for God inspires us to true service. Through selfless work for others, we broaden our love and direct it to the God in others. There is no way to serve God except to serve His creation. For what can we give to God? We can only offer our love, intelligence, and labor to those in need. Satya Sai speaks. This morning's 108 gem experience will be shared by one of our Balvikas blossoms, Divasri.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Master and Guru. Om Sai Ram, dearest respected elders and children. My name is Devasti Naidu. I am in Group 3 third year. The gem that I have chosen is gem number 34, Om Shri Sai Shakti Pradaya Namaha, which has a very simple meaning, the one who bestows strength. I was blessed to go to Prashanti Nilayam for the first time when I was 2 years old. I do not remember much of this trip, but I still remember waiting for hours to see our Divine Lord's face and receiving His blessings. My second trip to Prashanti was when I was 5 years old. On our way to Prashanti Nilayam, we visited a few places in the south of India. Unfortunately, I had picked up a sickness. At that time, I was handling it quite well and only had a cough and a runny nose. When we arrived at Prashanti and settled in, I started to develop a temperature. In the evening, my family and I attended darshan, and afterwards I began to vomit and had a runny tummy. I was in a miserable state. My family tried forcing me to eat, but I had no appetite, and even if I did eat anything, I would throw it up afterwards. I took some medication that we got from a pharmacy outside the ashram. The other medication that I took was Vibhuti water. By 2 o'clock the next morning, I ended up in a very bad condition and was rushed to the general hospital next to the ashram. When I was admitted to the hospital, it did not seem like a hospital because there was so much love, but I was still very scared. The doctor immediately put me on drips as I was very dehydrated. I was not given any medication, but I was given tons of love from the doctors, nurses, and my family. I was in the hospital the entire day and discharged just in time for the evening bhajans. When I was discharged, we attended the evening bhajans at the Sai Kuvant Hall, and I received darshan from the Lord once again. After a few days, we left Prashanti and visited a few other places like Goa and Chennai before returning home safely. I thank Swami for giving me 2 opportunities to go to Prashanti and seeing him in his physical form. I know that it was Swami who allowed me to recover so quickly, and I pray that I am able to visit Prashanti Nilayam again in the future. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, dear, for sharing your experience with us. The regional announcements for the week is as follows. Devotional announcements. Sunday morning sadhana at 5:30 a.m. Havan at 7 a.m. Thank you to our Yellowwood Park Sai family for officiating the Havan in your respective homes. Regional online devotional program at 7:30 a.m. Regional online Vedam classes at 9:15 a.m. Center study circles via the WhatsApp platform continues every alternate Monday evening. For further information, please consult with your center devotional convener. Seva announcements. Our Sai Food Kitchen meal program for Swami's birthday will take place during the weekend of the 20th and 21st of November. For further information, please liaise with your center Seva coordinators. Go Green initiatives are common to all wings. Devotees are encouraged to continue with the making of eco-bricks, planting of speckboom, and the herb and veggie gardens. We will now view a video followed by Aarti. During Aarti, please pray for the sick and needy, peace within ourselves, in our country, and in the world at large. Stay safe, stay blessed, and wishing you a Sai-filled week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Diaran Kupasamy. I am a Group 2, Year 2 Bhavika student. Since the coronavirus pandemic, the whole world has gone into all sorts of problems such as death, starvation, unemployment, and for us, students at school, as well as Bhavikas, we cannot attend regular classes. Studying online is not the same as the face-to-face contact we have with our teachers and gurus. Swami consistently tells us that we must see all in his image. Swami is my God, Guru and guide. He is my everything. When I'm faced with any problem in Bhavikas or at school, I quietly ask Swami to help me. Swami knows everything. He helps me in Zulu, English, and even maths. I attend a Catholic school and we go to the chapel to pray, and I see the picture of Mother Mary and Jesus Christ. And immediately I remember what Swami said. There is only one religion, the religion of love. I'm fortunate that my parents, grandparents, and aunt are all devotees. Whenever I cannot solve a problem or understand anything at school, I quietly ask Swami for help and the answers come to me. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. How is Swami my pillar of strength? Swami is my pillar of strength because I believe that he is everywhere watching over me. When I am scared and sad, I think of Swami and he gives me the strength and courage to overcome my sadness. There are times that I have some bad days at school because I hear of my friends or their family members that are tested positive. I close my eyes and picture Swami. Then I feel better knowing that Swami is there to protect us. Before I write my tests, I pray to Swami to guide me and help me to think of the correct answers. And most importantly, when I pray, I ask Swami to always watch over me and protect me from all the negativity that is around me. Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. Dreams, they are what we have to wake up from in order to achieve them. Dreaming is a fairly common phenomenon, and research shows that everybody, including animals, dream multiple times every night. However, 95% of us are unable to recollect 95% of our dreams, and therefore we are left with a very small percentage of dreams and nightmares that we remember. Dreams are often considered as the royal highway to our subconscious thoughts, feelings, and desires. However, when it comes to the dreams of our Satguru, of our God, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, things are different. As Swami explained during his discourse on the 24th of November 1998, dreams are a reaction, reflection, and resound of what is within you. Swami coming in your dreams is totally different. Swami comes in your dreams because of his will and not because you want it.
On July 14th, 2003, Swami comes in my dream. He looks at me and tells, 110 రోజులు ఈనాటి నుండి నా ప్రేమ కురిపిస్తాను. 110 days from today, I will shower my divine love on you. Exactly 110 days from that day, I found myself delivering a speech to the packed audience of Sai Kulwant Hall with Swami by my side for the occasion of Vice Chancellor's conference. Swami's dreams always come true. But that was not the divine shower of love that Swami had told me. That shower came after the speech. I feel my life is sanctified for having brought that moment of joy to the Lord. Nothing else is needed in this life.
In October 1998, I had a dream. In the dream, Swami was standing in front of our hostel with a lot of baggage and luggage. I asked Swami where he was going and he said he was going to Bombay. And I said, Swami, Bombay, you should come to the National Park. By National Park, I meant the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which was in my neighborhood. Swami said, yes, I will be coming there. And the dream ended. I noted down this dream in my diary and forgot about it. In the March of 1999, Swami actually visited the city of Bombay. There, Swami visited the home of a devotee. And interestingly, this devotee's home was right beside the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. In the meanwhile, the members of the Borivali Samiti decided to get all the inmates and children from an adopted slum called Kajupada to gather at a certain place in Borivali so that when Swami's car passes by, they can have darshan. Guess which spot they selected for gathering? The entrance of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. At the devotee's home, Swami mentioned to the devotee that he is able to hear bhajans going on. Nobody else could hear it because they were going on in the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. On his way back to Dharmakshetra, though it was beyond 9 p.m. at night, Swami halted the car at the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, got down, walked amidst the devotees, blessed all of them, and even asked for Aarti. Swami seemed surprised that the devotees were not aware that he was going to get down and bless them. The devotees also were surprised because they least expected Swami to get down and shower so many blessings on them. My parents too were there in that gathering and they were thrilled beyond imagination. After a blissful 10 minutes, Swami got into the car and left for Dharmakshetra. It was months later that my father was going through my personal diary and he called me and said, Arvind, why didn't you tell us that Swami had said that he would be coming to the National Park? We could have made much more grand arrangements. It was not as if I had withheld information. I had forgotten about it. That is why it is so important that the moment we get Swami's dream, we note it down or narrate it and record it as an audio or a video because they always come true. And when they come true, we should not be caught napping because we don't remember it.
Be it a student or a devotee or anybody for that matter, we all had one common daydream. That was, any guesses? Yes, that was to get an interview with Swami. And when that dream was fulfilled for a few of us way back in 1995, one of my classmates decided to ask Swami about dreams. And he asked Swami, Swami, how do we understand the dreams in which we see you? Immediately Swami said, you can get a dream with me in it only when I have willed it. And he said, Swami, but? Swami said, but what? He said, Swami, sometimes the dreams are not realistic and sometimes even funny. Swami said, funny? What dream did you get? He said, Swami, last night I got a dream in which I saw you on roller skates. Swami said, chi, very bad. No. And he said, that is pure indigestion dream. He prayed to Swami. He said, Swami, how do we know whether a dream is a dream willed by you or an indigestion dream? Swami smiled and gave an answer which he has given many times, also in the discourse on 24th November 1998, where he was speaking about dreams. Swami says, there are 2 points. One is, when you wake up, you will remember the dream clearly. There will be no doubt. Every event in the dream will be crystal clear in your memory. Second point is that Swami's persona will remain the same. The way he looks, the way he talks, the way he comes to you, it will remain the same immaterial of waking state or dream state.
When you get Swami's dreams, relive those moments again and again. for these are opportunities that come once in many lifetimes.
Be aware of people coming and telling you to do things based on the dreams they have supposedly got. Way back in 1965, Swami, during a discourse, said,
Do not believe if anyone comes to you and declares, Satya Sai Baba came to me in my dream and commissioned me to do publicity for him. Please help me as far as you can. I do not commission anyone for such work, either in the dream or while he is awake. Such men are cheats and treat them as such without mercy. In the same vein, sometimes you may get Swami's dream where you are unable to understand exactly what Swami is trying to tell you. At such times, don't fret or fume. Worse, don't go and ask a third party for interpretation. Swami is the one who has given us the dream. He will give us the understanding at the right time. Let's have faith, let's have patience, and till that point comes, let us just enjoy the experience.
Why fear when ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिम् परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।